Ahora tenemos que chupar, potatoes, like what it is America. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hello viewers, present with new blog. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hello viewers, I am always speaking in front of you. I am a son of Sims English, present with new blog. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, I am Abu Talha speaking in front of you. I am a student of Sims English. I am present with new blog. Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, I am Labonna speaking. I am a student of Salim's English. Hello, I am very happy. And this is my little brother, and his name is Shad. And this is my sister, and sister name is Labonna. He is my friend, and my friend name is Abu Talha. We are moving. Not problem. Not that. Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdullah. Today I am very happy. He is my little brother Shad, and he is my senior sister. Her name is Labanno. He is my friend Abdullah. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, I am Labanno. I am happy today. Our little brother Abdullah, our little brother Shad, and our little brother Abu Talha. We are sitting one stall. We are gossiping. We are enjoying very much. I Wash why? It's I'm happy. Happy no? Happy. Yeah. Everyone should wish I am happy. I am sitting with my brother. Hello guys. This man is crossing the river. This is my fresh water. Hello viewers. My English is very much. This is fresh water. Hello viewers. I want to speak Delhi language. Let's get started. So আমি তোমাকে চিনি, I know you. বয়স কত? How old? চলো দেখা করি. Let's meet. সে রান্না করছে. She is cooking. সে রান্না করছে. She is cooking. অনেক দূরে, ফায়ারে, খুলে ফেলো. Check it off. তুমি মিথ্যা বলছো. তুমি মিথ্যাবাদী. You are a liar. You are a liar. প্রয়োজন ছিল. Was needed. প্রয়োজন ছিল. Was needed. দৌড়ে পালাও. Run away. দৌড়ে পালাও. Run away. দৌড়ে পালাও. Run away. That's all my information. Stay with me for the next video. Hello viewers, I am Abdul speaking in front of you. Now I want to perform about some daily language. So let's get started. সোজা চলে যাও, go straight. আমি রান্নায় দক্ষ. I am good at cooking. সে গান গাইতে পারদর্শী. He is good at singing. আমি খেলাধুলায় পটু. I am good at playing. আমি পারবো. I will be able to. সে পারবে. He will be able to. আমার কয়েকটি কাজ করার কথা ছিল. I am supposed to do the work. সে বাজার যাবে ভাবছে. He is going to বাজার. আমি কি পারি? আমি জানি. I know. আমি জানি না. I don't know. That's all. Stay with the for next video. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, I am Labanno speaking in front of you. Now I wanted to perform about Delhi language. So let's get started. সোজা চলে যাও, go straight. আমাকে ক্ষমা করো, pardon me. ধীরে কথা বলি, speak slowly. এটা কি অনেক দূরে? It is beneficial. ধীর গতি, slow motion. খুঁজে দেখো, find out. এটা একদমই অসম্ভব. It's beneficial. আমি হতবাক, I shocked. বৃষ্টি হতে পারে, it may rain. খুঁজে দেখো, find out. দৌড়ে পালাও, run away. প্রয়োজন ছিল, was needed. তাড়াতাড়ি করো, hurry up. ধীরে কথা বলে, speak slowly. That's all by information. Stay with me for the next video. A B D D E F D H I J K L M N O P Q I S R E D Upper Dash on and D Heaven on the A D Second Q I S R D D Upper on and D Heaven on the A B D and Q I S R D